3 to 4 times at least we should do.
Correct.
So without by understanding the concept, we should do the 4 times at least. Then only we'll get the subject. Other once if we do, what happened, simply we'll forget whatever we have first time or second time. Whenever we are doing these activities, we'll get only idea. We don't get much subject here. When we do the third and fourth time, then only we'll get the 100% clarity how what we are doing, how we are doing, and everything. So this way it happened. And yes, Irfan, do you want to ask
So I
anything?
have a question. Yeah. I want to ask, like, I have like done this preparation on the list subset and the drop pick list, but how much I try to understand, but I'm not getting this drop down list or pick list by reading this. So could you please like give me an explanation by example, if possible?
Already I have prepared here one drop down list or pick list. So here
Yep.
I hope I have prepared here in level 1 dev model. I have prepared. Simply first of all, what should we do? You can see here sales commission and drop down or pick list. You can see I have created one module. You can see
Yep.
with country as a dimension. I will open
Okay.
here this module. So you can see only country list. You can see here one line item I have taken country, and country dimension I have taken here. Then nothing I have taken here. Only one line item and country. That format is the list format, country list format. So then what I do, what I have done
Mm-hmm.
here, same thing I will publish to this UX pages. Why I need to publish means end user want to select these different countries for their different purposes. So drop down means they will select the whatever the list item they want. So that is the reason we want to publish this line item over the UX pages.
Yeah, but Asifai, under the US, we only select the US. Okay, let me check with the this UX pages there. I can understand.
Under UX pages only they will select. If you publish this module over UX page, whatever the
Mm-hmm.
they will select simply. So drop down I have created here drop down. So no, nothing is there, just they will, this is the drop down. You can see here you will get the drop down option. Whatever the list item you want you
Okay.
will get. So that will be, you can select. This is the drop
Okay,
down
okay.
list or
But
pick
in
list.
I got it. But in
Same
the
thing what we are
module, it
getting
is showing
in
that
module,
header is the
same thing we are
US
getting.
and like UK. But here it is only showing that country and one cell. But whereas in the module, it's showing all the columns and the rows. So US always select the US. But here is a different thing. I got it now. So whenever a user want to select any country as per their requirement to change the data, so we have to make a module as a drop down list that published here and synchronize this with other dashboards.
Cards,
So whenever they
other
select this
cards.
country,
Yes, other according to this country will get the below details if you
data.
set
Okay,
some
got it.
relation.
Yeah. Can you please go to the module Asibay one time?
Nothing is there, only you can see country
Yeah,
line
here,
item.
yeah, I got confused over here. When you say US, always select US. Canada should be select Canada, but in the dashboard, it is totally different look.
Only
Got it
one
now. Thank you so much.
line item, only line item only you can see there. So
Yeah,
whatever
we
you
won't
want.
get, we'll not get the header like US, Canada,
No,
Mexico,
no.
Brazil.
Generally,
We
what
will not
happened?
get.
How it looks, you can
If
see
that if
here.
that is in columns, that will show like that. Yes, yes, yes. The mapping we need to change and pivot.
Then you can see whatever the thing you want to select. You can select for anything, but generally how this is a not correct view. Even you can select like you can keep like this. So this will be
Yeah, now it is correct.
whatever the
Now you get it. Now you
country
get
you
it.
want, you can select here. simply.
Yeah, because in the header is showing US, so we have to select only US. That was my confusion.
No,
So
no,
it
no, not
always
like that.
in
So
the.
whatever the country we want select, we can select here. So this way we can create the drop down or pick list. So these are the different list we have, and you can see here. Yes, fine. We have pending activity of conclusion, that UX page activity we have pending. So we can see here. Once if we close that activity, conclusion to activities also there. We will wrap up that activities, so that we can focus on interviews and everything. So you can see here. Final two tables we have here to wrap up here. So we can see we have completed up to this table we have completed. So we need to complete this one and this table and these three tables we need to complete here. So we can see what is that, what are the different instructions we have here, what should we do, we can see here. So product time and distribution center contact selectors, stock exception by distribution center by month and half year. So we can see this is a stock exception, how many times we have got stock exception count. This one include the conditional formatting for the stock exceptions greater than 0. Yes, we have completed. We need to do the distribution center capacity, inventory and percentage full. So we need to publish this one, this second grid we need to we need to publish. So simply we should go to UX page. So where do we have this one, in which module we have distribution center summary. So you can see um, which UX page, that what is the name of that UX page.
Exception
Yes,
is
exception, is it correct? You can see then
yes.
distribution center summary. Distribution center summary, this one is a our distribution center summary. This one is our UX page. We have completed only one grid, and we have given here color as well. So we have applied conditional formatting as well. So then the next grid we should apply for the this distribution center capacity and inventory and percentage full. This one uh, we need to publish here. So where do we have the distribution center capacity? Yes, first of all we can go here, edit the page, and if we edit the page, you can see grid. I want grid here, and you can see here. So which card, which in which module do we have this distribution center details?
The 03.
Inventory 04, you
ILV
can see
03.
distribution center summary we have here. uh,
Okay.
Here we can see distribution center capacity you have here. So we
Yes,
have
sir.
two, both the modules we have same thing, but we can see here, here we have the capacity. So this one only we should select. We can see here, for if we go to module inventory 03 and inventory 04, what is the difference between the two modules? We have the stock exception count, but different hierarchy level we have there. That's it, hierarchy level is the difference. So one place we have the product family level, and one place we have the product level. So that is the major difference. So inventory 03 you can see P2 product and location level, and inventory 04 you can see distribution center level we have this one. So here monthly level we have, here weekly level we have. So everything is same. So that thing is the different hierarchy level, that's it. Stock exception you can see, and here also. here we have the total beginning inventory. We don't have stock exception here. Total beginning inventory. So these are the total beginning inventory and capacity we have. Distribution center capacity and percentage full. So that is the reason we should take only inventory 04 only we should take. We should not take inventory 03 here. So simply we can understand inventory 04 we should take here, and then if we take inventory, if I take inventory 04 default view, that is not correct. So I want custom view. Why means we need to apply the conditional formatting and everything we need to apply. So how they want the data, how they want to see the data, that one we need to concentrate.
Distribution capacity and
You can see New York here they should in columns they should
Okay.
have first time, and below the time they should have line items, and other dimension distribution center should be in rows. So
rows.
and that two time should be here, we can see months we should have. So these are the all things we need to concentrate, and we need to take the action according to it. So if I want time is fine, line item should be there. Under time my line item should be
Time.
there.
see by time is in month, I think.
Right?
How? Yes, time should be there in months. We'll select filter. Wait,
Yes, yes, yes.
we
Okay,
should
okay. Okay.
we should select the filter here. After applying this one, we need to
Okay.
take the
Yeah.
filter. We need to apply the filter here. Where do we have the months filter? In which module we have, do we have the months?
System 0.
System 0.
Column, add row, add row.
Add one.
Yes.
Module is system 01 months only filter. System 00
Yes,
or
yes.
system 01.
System 01. System 0.
System
0,
00 you have
Month
select
two.
the line item as month only filter.
Month only.
True. Is the true.
Last one. True.
So if I apply, what happened?
Monthly only. Monthly.
I can see the monthly details only, I can see here. So after watching this one, what is the next step?
Yes.
Then what should we take here?
Conditional formatting.
Conditional formatting we should take. So what is the
Colors.
rule we have? Colors we should take. So here if we have below 80%, if we have below 80%, it is fine. Up to 80% it should be green.
Green.
But if I exceed more than 80%, then so that distribution center is full of stock, so we can't store more than 80%. So if you have more than 80%, it is you are in danger nothing, but that is a not good best practice we can say. So we should maintain below 80%, that is the best practice. So we should take action according to it. I want conditional formatting here, and what is the conditional formatting? We should apply for the condition percentage. We should apply for the conditional formatting for the percentage, and what is our main intention?
Percentage.
Same line item. So if you have
Minimum.
minimum value is
Minimum
the, if you have
80%.
80%, if I have, then what is my color should be?
Green.
Green. It
Green,
should
green.
be green. It is fine. 80%. So if I have above 80%, for example, I will take the
Greater
82,
than or equal to.
82
Okay.
for example. Then what happened? I should get the red color. So these are the two conditions. If I said what happened, we can see here.
But 81 आएगा तो कैसे शिप?
Yes, but it is that is not that much we can't focus. So even you will get the red color only. You can see above the 80, if you can see each and every place you can see the green only. Why means we are not exceeding 80%. So if we exceed anywhere 80%, we'll get the red color. So in this way we can set. So even you can set the 81% also. Sometimes it doesn't accept it. If you keep that much narrow range, sometime what happened, so if you are keeping condition very near, so it doesn't accept it. If it is accept, nothing will happen.
In conditional formatting, we don't have any options to write like no less than, greater than, possible.
No, we can't give that one, so numbers we should give. You can see you should update this one. So next we need to check the grid, and we need to check the, if we want to give any colorful, if I want to make colorful table, you can see we can select this one, so it looks impressive. And so what is the other intention? Time already we are showing, so we don't need any hierarchy selection here. And line items, already synchronization is there already. Here we are showing the line item details. Nothing we need to do, we need to publish this page. Yes, so in this way we have completed this second table. And we can see other tables also, we can try for the other tables. So where are other tables? These three tables we have, it doesn't consist any major data, but we need to like show the different you can see product SKU by the distribution center. So we have this one.
08. System
So
08.
product SKU by the distribution center. So these are the different distribution centers, and you can see here you have the different products. Here you can see the product details. So product details you can see here. Here you can see like SKU details we can see here. SKU details. So to do this one, we need to check where do we have the product SKU distribution center details. Where do we have the product SKU distribution center details?
System 8. System 08.
So
SOS System 08 module or ILV3.
you can see this is the distribution center details. Here also SKU and distribution center we want here. Product SKUs I want, distribution center I want. Here distribution center if I want, you can see system 07. If we want system 08 for
SKU
that
details.
scenario,
SKU details.
so system 08 we can take. So for wherever we have the source, that one we should search, and according to that one we should go. So where do we have the first of all we need to go for this one. So, product SKU and distribution center, where do I have? Source module we need to search here. Where do I have product SKU and distribution center? Yes, is it correct? Data 01. Other than, do we have anywhere P3 SKU and distribution center in this module? In this model, do we have anywhere P3 SKU and distribution center? We don't have anywhere. Is it correct?
No, we don't have.
So simply, what should we do? We should take that one only, and we should try to get that functionality. Try to update the grid. Update the grid. And which source we should take here? What is the source module? Data 01 beginning inventory. Is it correct? So which view do we want here? Which view do we want? We want in rows. What are the things we want here? first we need SKUs or distribution center. Which one we want here? Is it correct or different view they are expecting? New York and San Francisco. Location they want first, then products. Locations and products. So you can see locations and products. Then you need to bring this one here. Locations and product. Is it correct? Then you can see this view we are
Yes,
getting
yes.
New York, and you can see New Jersey, everything you can see here. So two things are fine. Then I don't want these line items here. So what should I do? You can see here. So what is our next scenario? We
Remove
don't
again.
want line items. If I want to remove line items, so what should I do? Yes,
Hide the line items.
you can see we have, what are the line items we have? This line item we have. So then if I ask to select here, what happened? It will get select. So if I hide option is not a good thing. So what should we do? We can see line item details, and I
Yes,
don't want
yes.
to show. I will apply the filter here. Then I can remove. You can see. So I will try to apply the filter, and where you can see what should I do here? How can I remove this one line item from here? What is the best rule we do we have here? Simply without applying filter, what is the solution do we have? So if I bring this line item to pages, what happened?
We have to like just select the line item which we want as a selected shown line item and like get in the dashboard, right?
You can see here what happening. So we have this one. Then what I do? So what happening by doing this one? What happening here? Still we are getting the values, but I don't want this one. So what is the solution should we do here? Yes, what is the other solution do we have here?
We can create a view. We can create a view in that
Yes,
module versions, and then we can customize that, delete like whatever the line items that we want. We can create a view, and then we can select here newest pages from view, saved view.
simply. So what we can do here, show or hide is a not correct option here to.
Yeah, so but we can in the module whatever line item we want we can just select and shown and saved as a view like just now someone said and can
So
publish it.
simply you can see what is the one more option. Yes. So in module you are correct. In module simply what can we do? Create one saved view here. So that is the best option we can see here. If I open this module, what can I do? I will make as a one saved view here. So I will create as a one saved view. So beginning inventory, you can see beginning inventory saved view I will create here. So UX view we can say, not beginning inventory, it is not correct word. UX view I will create. So if I create UX view, what happened in UX view? I will create one saved view here. I have created one saved view, and in this saved view what I do, simply whatever the dimension, first I want location here, and then you can see line items here. So after watching this one, simply I will hide my line item. So then what happened? Hide selection. What happened? I will get the simple view. So then what should I do? Simply I will need to save my view. I need to save the view here, and then we should apply same thing here. Instead of taking this one, you can see, instead of taking this view, directly we can go for the try to edit this one, go to data beginning inventory, and go to modules, and take simply save our saved view. Then what happened if I do this one? If I take UX view,
Directly continue.
we'll get our solution. Whatever we want, we'll get. So yes, correct, we have got this one. So in this way we'll get our answer. Like whatever the thing we want, we need to think and we need to implement. That's it. So there is no compulsory rules we should do like this and everything. So simply we should, whatever the thing we want, we should think and we need to follow that rule. We need to implement it. We should get that functionality. So we have got this one table here, and then what is the other two tables we have in other
Asif bhai,
two
I have a question over here. As per your experience, so which is the best thing to use as the saved view or like customized view always in the UX pages?
in UX pages, most of the time will use customized view most of the times, and some we don't say most of the things, means 70 to 80% will prepare the customized views. Why we prepare means their end user can we can change the view whatever the we want and everything we can do. And when we use the saved view, what happened? What are the other advantages? We can't do any like conditional formatting and everything, we can't apply for the saved views if I use saved views. So other than that one, we advantages we have, we can use saved view so many times. So that is the advantage. So we have both
Just
the,
just data visualization purpose only, you can use the saved view, right, sir?
yes, yes, correct. Other than that one, nothing will have.
Nothing.
So
Yeah,
module will
basically
be same.
like
Yes, 70 to 30 ratio, Irfan. Wherever the we need the dashboard, every time they want to pivot the option, they want, like they want to change. For that one, what they do, we'll use customized view. So the we, if we think that is a, we don't change regularly. We don't need any change for any when like different views purpose. So for that one, what will you do? We'll create the saved views. Will use saved views.
yeah, because
There is no
yeah,
need to do the, yes,
yeah, I have observed one thing as per the plans as sustainability keep the future in mind. So we can't change anything in the saved view if customer require anything client. So for the customized view, we can just add on or remove some things like that. So the
yes.
based on that, so yeah, I got your answer. Thank you so much, Asif bhai.
So we have another two views here. Distribution center details. Where do I have distribution center details? Distribution center details. Simply you
Distribution.
have system 07, correct? System 07, go to system 07, we have the distribution center details in system 07. So here open this one, create one saved view here, and what do we how they want this view. First of all, we'll create one saved view here. Save as, create one ux view. You create one ux view. Then what is the view do we want here? Which view we want here? How they want to watch? You can see this one,
The pivot, yeah.
code, country, region, capacity, standard shipping. So line items we should keep in rows. In columns, what do we
Rows.
want? G01. So what is this one?
Code,
Code,
country
country,
code, country code, country code.
country code, and region. So first of all, what should I do? Line items I need to bring. Line items I need to bring here. Then what happened? We can see. Yes. So you can see here, code, country code, code you are getting, country code we are getting, region we are getting, default shipping method they don't want to show, capacity they want to show. So how many things they line item they are showing here? 4 line items, 5 line items they are showing. Standard shipping method. So we can also show same thing.
Yeah, but we have to move that line item to like this header to this different, so we can get only one column, not more than one column.
Yes, we are getting more. They are showing only one. We'll get generally more details. We'll get once if we. They also have more, but we can see here only one column. We can see here. That's it. You can see code, country, everything we can see, and 5 line item they want code. You can see code and country, region, and you can see default shipping method and capacity. These line items only they want to show. Is it correct? You can see these line item they want to show. So simply save this view. Save this view and publish this to UX page. Whatever we are doing changes, we need to save that view. So in UX pages, I need to publish one more grid here.
But Asif bhai, in that they have select particular country, so we have to give that country list in the like filter, not in the column, because here we are selecting only New York. So if we give multiple header apart from the New York, Mexico, that will be like not valid. Am I right?
Send message as a rejoin. Our group no one is there. Yes, you can. So which module we should take here? Yes. What is our source? Which module we should take? just now whatever we have created, that saved view we should select. Is it correct?
Correct.
So
Correct.
this is a fixed one, fixed details. Most of the time we'll take the, generally we don't change that much these whatever the details we are
Just,
publishing here. So you can
yes,
see,
yes. Just visualization.
yes, first showing purpose we are creating this one. Go to system 07 and select UX view.
UX. Yes.
That's it. So then simply you can format and everything, you can, if you want to change, looks impressive. And then, so here what is the thing, um, if we want only one thing here, yes, distribution center hierarchy filter I should on here. So hierarchy filter I should on here. Then you can see only one thing will get. Irfan, you can see here, if I turn on this one for this grid, what happened, if I select any product, I will get the only that product detail I will get, chocolate. So you can see whatever the thing will select, so that thing only will get. So like that you can see, if we select the things on the base of, you can see here New York we have. If I select San Francisco, you can see San Francisco we will get different locations. So on the base of selection we'll get, if we turn on this hierarchy filters. If we don't turn on, nothing will happen. So this grid will show whatever we are publishing. So this way we have completed this one. This second table as well we have completed here, and we can publish these two page. And what is our final grid we have? What is our final grid? Which one? SKU details. Where do we have SKU details?
System 08.
System 08 we have the SKU details. So simply open module and create the saved view. UX view, try to write UX view. Then, so what should we do? So how we want to show our data, that thing matter. So simply keep here products, and you can see keep line items here. So what are the line items we want to show here in this our table? Country made in distribution center, 5 line items we want to show here. Do we have 5 line items? Supplied by, you can see country made in, product family, product code, everything is there. Nothing we need to do anything here. Simply we can save the view. So then simply what can we do? We can publish this to UX page. We need to do the edit. Take grid here, and simply we should take our saved view, whatever we have created in system 08. Default view we have and UX view we
Yes.
have. So simply take UX view, and if I want to get only one product, what should I do? I need to turn on my grid to turn on my context hierarchy filter. I need to turn on. So if I turn on my hierarchy filter, so here you can see hierarchy filter I will turn on. Then what happened here? So whatever the product I will select here, raising the bar, under the raising the bar, whatever the product we have, it will get select here. That's it. So simply I can publish here, and so I need to keep these three tables side by side. So these three tables. So simply what can I do? I can, so first of all we need to drag and drop here. So we'll get one, each and every card in center will get our handle will we have generally. So by dragging that one we can keep. Sometime because of some technical issue we are not getting that one. So if I want to keep two grids side by side, if we keep cursor over here we'll get the that handle. So we should drag and drop like this, so that what happened, we can keep the three tables side by side. Mostly it will get activate tomorrow. So tomorrow or like whenever like it is available you can do it. So just side by side we need to keep. We are not getting that handle here. So for any table we are not getting. So we are facing that issue. So earlier also we have faced that one. We can keep drag and drop, and we can simply we can keep the side by side these tables. So by completing this one, you can see we have completed successfully this one. This UX page also we have completed here. So these three grids we have completed, and even we can see, but we didn't given this headings we didn't given. So what should we do? If I want to give this details, how I can give here?
Text.
Title we
Title,
should, we
title bar.
didn't given title. If we give title we can give, and total number of stock exceptions for all distribution center. So we have this one field card you can use this as a KPI card, key performance indicator. So total number of stock exception for all distribution center and product, everything is we have given. We need to give one more thing here, one KPI card we can give. How we can give the KPI card? Yes,
And drag.
just simple thing, you can see, we'll select the KPI card and we can give the things. But
Edit.
click on edit. If I want KPI card, you can
KPI.
see I want give here. So you can see if I keep cursor, I am getting this grid. So like this we'll get, and if we want adjust, we can adjust like this on the base of requirement. Configure card, and which module we should take? Total stock exceptions. Where do we have total stock exception? Select the module name. So where do we have the stock exception count? Yes, inventory 03. 04 we have the beginning inventory, other things we have. Inventory 03 we have taken for this one, this table. So that is the reason we should take that one. If I take that one, stock exception module and line item, it consists only one line item. You can see the number, how many times we got this stock exception. This is known as a key performance indicator, KPIs. By watching this one we'll get the final figure. So what is the title we should keep? Total number of stock exceptions you can write here. So you will get that only. This is a KPI card we didn't use earlier. So simple thing, just we need to use the module name, give the module name, and then stock line item we should select. We will get the numbers.
What is 49?
Nothing we have to do here.
What is 49 number is like?
Yes, 49 times we got the stock exception. So like this we can publish this one. So this is our KPI card. So total number of stocks. So in this way we have completed all these grids, and everything we have completed, and we have to complete roles. We need to create for this one, this sprint3. What are the roles we have? And after completing these roles, we need to product supply manager we have, and regional vice president we have. So for product supply manager, So what are the responsible for him, what are the responsibilities being need to do product supply manager? Each product supply manager should be able to update their assigned products and product SKUs, but view only assigned product family across all regions. So what are the things he needs for product supply manager? Product assigned products and product SKUs, but view only their assigned product family across all regions. So then what are the things control, what are the access we should provide for him?
Can access his like product.
So first we need to create the product supply manager role. We need to create this role, first of all we need to create, and then we need to think in model. First of all we need to create the role. So you can see what are the different roles we have. Product supply manager, production manager, we don't have. Product supply manager we should create first. For product supply manager, so what are the things we should provide the access for him? You can see if I select this one, product supply manager, what are the responsibility belongs to him, what are the modules he needs access, which modules he needs the access? So you can see their assigned products and product SKUs. So he needs to update the assigned products and product SKUs, but only view their assigned product family across all regions. What is mean by it? What are the access we should provide here for him?
Like he belongs to a particular product family, he can do that edit for him, that only. Apart from that, he just can view other product families. There are 4 products families, right?
Yes. So first we need to take which product family we should
Belongs
provide the two things we should provide. First of all, P2 products we should select the selective access here. For him, P2 products, for this one we should create the selective access first. Then if I select this one, what should I do for user? So for example, he is the user, this guy Anaplan access is the user. For example, I will assume that he is a product supply manager. Then what should I do? I will go to roles here, and simply what I do, you can see first of all users. When I open this one, users, you can see this, whenever I select this one product family selective access, I will get this, all the access will get. So how many product families he is a manager for? How many product families? Only one product family. I will give the right access for the chocolates. Remaining product families, he should be the
Read
Read
access.
only.
read only. Why? He should not change the others product families. Only he need to
No
change
editor.
only is related products, only he need to updates. So why I am giving here? If here I am not giving P3 SKU somewhere, so if I give this one, what happened? Yes, yes.
Yes, Sipai, what did you ask?
Why I am not giving P3 level? If I give this, will be enough chocolate, and
Yeah,
there is no need to
because
do
this
give
yeah,
again
so
and again
because
here. What is the reason?
he like is a product family manager, so he just look around the product family only, not at the SKU level.
Yes, if you provide here access, so automatically what happened, he will get the access for the bottom level. You can see here. So if we select here parent, if we consider, so automatically what happened here, it will it will get access for the both the list. So that is the purpose, we'll give the access here. Parent level will provide the access.
Work from the parent, right?
Yes. So this is the access we have provided him, and we can see and what are the modules he needs to maintain. So each product supply manager should be able to update their products and product SKU, but view only he need to update the products and product SKUs. So where do we have the related to product details in our modules? Products and product SKU details, where do we have? You can see inventory module we have. So in inventory module we'll provide the access. So whatever the modules he needs the access, we'll give the access here. According to his requirement only we'll provide. We don't provide each and every modules. So if we need this inventory 01, will provide the right access, and whatever the modules, so he needs to change that. The demand 0 module we don't give access to him. System 0 modules also we don't give. So whatever the modules they need, only that details only will give. If we want to check these details, country summary, will give only this related to inventories. So where he needs the changes. So only if he want to view any module, then we'll give the read access. That's it. We don't give each and every module access for everyone. Is it clear? So access driver modules are there. So we'll give the right access if they require this access. Otherwise, we don't give the access. So in this way, we'll provide the create one role, and on the base of role, we'll provide the access for that modules. And versions also same thing. Versions anyway we'll have 2-3 versions we'll give. And in list, what will you do? Simply for product supply manager, we'll give the access for these products. We'll give the access. Then what happened? Simply he can access this list. So region wise he want to control. So then we'll give the region list, this G1 region, G2 country, G3 also will provide the access. So like this, whatever the module they need, versions anyway 2-3 versions will provide, and here roles also will provide, actions. In actions also, whatever the actions, import export actions they need the access, will provide the actions. Access will provide on the base of requirement like this. So these actions only they can edit. They will get the access, they will run. Otherwise, other actions they can't run. If I provide access on the base of requirement, these actions only they can run. Other actions they can't run. If they run that actions, what happened? That action will ask permission to take from the workspace administrator. If they run other action other than whatever the action, if I don't provide any access for that action, if they run this action, it will ask the permission. So in this way, we'll provide the access, modules, versions, list, and actions will provide. So then what happened? Final step, create the regional vice president role. Same thing, regional vice president role, one more role we should create here, and each regional vice president should be able to view the distribution center located their assigned region. So they should not able to change the capacity or standard shipping method in any other distribution center. So then what should we do for him? We should create another role here. We'll create another role, insert another role, regional vice president. Regional vice president we should provide, create the one role. For this role, what are the things he needs access for regional vice president role? First we need to select the region as a selective access we need to provide for the region. Then what happened? If I provide the selective access here, So simply whenever user add here, whenever we add any user, so I will, then what happens, simply only one region access we should give. So this time I am taking this guy as a regional vice president. Then region right, how many regions they should give, we should provide the access? Only one region.
Only one reason, one reason.
Remaining two regions
You can view.
he can view. That's it. So simply what happened, we'll provide the access in this way. Then what is the next thing we should do here? We should provide the access in the modules. So they should edit capacity, inventory capacity and everything. You can see regional president, each and everything they should maintain for the whatever the modules they need. Distribution center capacity, distribution center, this one, summary, and you can see inventory ordering modules. So whatever the related modules is belongs to him, we should select the read, write access, whichever they need, or edit, and whichever they don't need, like only view access they want to we want to provide for them, then we'll provide the read access for them. So why there is no need to take any action against that modules, simply they will view, that's it. So in this way, system modules are there, for example. So system module we don't give any access. Why system modules? By we need Anaplan model builder, system module, calculation module, everything. They need only output modules and input and output modules. Is it correct? Calculation modules are there, for example. Do they need any calculation modules?
No, no, not required. You just need to input the data and check the output data. That's it.
Yes. So in this way, we provide the access, and after providing here, we should create the role, and you can see, we should, after completing each and everything, what should we do? Test as a end user. So test as end user means I have joined as a workspace administrator here. For example, I have joined as a workspace administrator here. Then you can see, so I should join as a, I should remove this access, full access I should remove, and I should join as a product supply manager, or like account demand manager, whatever, like regional vice president, product supply manager, as a I should join as a product supply manager. So for product supply manager, how many modules we have provided the access? Only few modules we provided. And do I provided system modules access? You can see here, for what I told, system module generally we don't provide the access. If I try to open this module, what happening? Ask workspace administrator for the access.
It will not, yeah, alert.
It doesn't allow us. So like this, whatever the modules we provide, and we should not check as a our by login with our user ID and credentials. We should keep after setting. This is known as a user test. So user login test, we can say user login test, not user acceptance test. So user login test means, we can say by providing the user credentials. So by using user credential, we should log in and we should check what are the modules we are providing access for them, what are the modules they can access, each and everything they can watch it. So like this, then only will get. If I otherwise, what happened, if I have given access everything, and I am checking by keeping the full access, what happened, I can open each and everything, but end user, can they open each and everything?
No, no, they can't.
They can't open. So that is the reason, whenever we are testing, so we have the, once if we complete all these things, generally what happened, we need to check like this. We need to create the roles and security levels access, and securities we need to apply, and we should log in as a end user, and we need to check what are the modules access we are providing for them. Each and every module, are they able to open their modules and list or not? Are they able to run their actions or not? Are they able to provide input or not? Each and every module. So like this we need to check by providing by logging with the user credentials. That is one test. User, we can say user login test we can say. And one more test like we user acceptance test, nothing but other test user acceptance test. So for example we have provided this UX page for the uh, like to show the stock exception count and distribution capacity. So by logging this UX page and by selecting different items, are we able to satisfying end user requirement or not? This is known as a functional test. Functional test, what is their intention? They want to check each and every distribution center how much percentage is there, how much percentage is full, how much we can store the products. We have 47 means fine. If we are exceeding 80% means it will show the red color. We can't fill more than 80% each and every distribution center. Is it correct? Yes.
Yes.
So this is not a functional test. Means functionally are we on the track, right track or not? So this is second one is a functional test. And user we can say one is user login test, and you can say this is functional or user acceptance test. Both the names we can say. User accept nothing but yes, everything is working fine, then they will accept, finally they will accept. So user acceptance is the final test. So functional or user acceptance test. And what is the performance test? Performance test nothing but whenever if you open the model, it should be open very quickly. It should not take much time. If I want to select anything, you can see it is scrolling. Why it is scrolling? No access. So we don't have any access means what I have done here, different selective access and everything I have provided. I need to remove this one, all those things. Then what happened? It will get removed. So it will get open whenever if I open. So if we select all these things, if you remove, you don't remove, what happens simply? It will trouble us. So then now if I select anything, you can see it will get select. You can see now it is asking to find. See here. So how the changes happen. So this way, like functional test, performance nothing but it should, if it is open very late, that is known as a functional test. And you can see, so after completing this one, as we have clean up the model content panel and clean up the module, review the user experience pages, review the selective access for each role and user, already we have seen. And final thing, you need to activity prepare the sprint review or UAT, user acceptance test. So that only user acceptance nothing but we should keep each and everything whatever they have expected, each and everything is perfect or not. And even we should check the modules cleanup means we have only few list here, but real time we have the hundreds of list will available. Most of the list will not usable. So if you watch this list, so how many times we have referenced, you can see here referenced G1 region 4, you can see referenced in formula we didn't referred. And in applies to also region we didn't refer here. Here we have referred one time. Here you can see referenced as a format, you can see this many times we have referred. In applies to we didn't refer, but here you can see other list, this is the header. Do we have any reference here? Referenced in applies or referenced as a format? Do we have anything?
No.
So this is why means this is a header. Like this, sometime what happened, few list will create but we don't use. So for example like this, if you see this one, then we should delete it. So in the same way in modules and everywhere also we'll do same thing. If whatever the module is not in use, we are not publishing in UX pages, we are not using for any other purpose. Most of the module will create for the testing purpose and so many purposes will create. Why means if I create any logic, directly I don't get any logic. To get one logic I need to think multiple times. Then what happened? I will do it. For that one, what they do, generally they will create, if I am creating this one, I want to do experiment, some experiments I want to do, then simply I will do the copy the module. After the what I do, copy the module. So same thing, what I do, same line items will have whatever the formulas I want to create and everything I will do in the copy module. Why means this is a real module. So in this one I don't want to test. After testing, if everything is perfect, I will pull these formulas to here. Is it correct or not? Yes.
Yes, yes.
So but later I will not delete sometime. I will write in notes to be deleted. In notes I will write like to be deleted, but I will forget. uh, After watching result and everything, finally I will check. I will think like this, but I don't delete. But finally, by watching here, what should I do? I need to delete this one. So I need to delete. This is known as a cleanup. Clean up the module, unwanted line items, unwanted dimensions, each and everything I need to delete. So even you can see sometimes what happened, you can see, for this is the system 8 module we have. For example, system 0 module is there, and wherever we have time I will take that one. For example, this is the module I have, copy module only. I have how many line items I have? So only one line item I have here. One P1 product family I have time here. But sometime what happened, few line items they don't require this time. For that one, what should I do? I'll simply keep not applicable. Few line items it doesn't require. For example, code is there. So in level 1 we have one module, like but we don't have time, I think, there. So wherever, if you have time, and for few line items if you have code or some list formatted line items here, for that one it doesn't change over the time period. Each and everywhere it is constant. So for that situation, what will you do? Generally we need to, we should keep the not applicable time for that line item, particular only one line item. Other line item we need the time. So then what happened, if I remove this dimension, my cell count will get reduced. Is it correct? Yes, cell count will reduce. So if we are reducing the dimension, so you can see here how it is affects. If I take this one, you can see what is my cell count. You can see 4 cell count I have here. If I turn on my time here, what is my cell count? 416. Is it correct? Yes. How it is increased from 4 to 416?
Because we are getting the weekly
Turn on the
data,
dimensions.
so they are using the weekly itself. So that's
Yes.
why it
If
is.
you use the time, what happens? Simply automatically it will, cell count will get increased. Unwanted dimensions we should remove. Then what happened? Our module size will get reduced. So in this way, wherever we need only wanted dimensions we should keep, and unwanted dimensions we should remove. So this even comes under the model cleaning, or you can say sparsity, model optimization, we can say. All these things will do. So like this. So after completing all these things, we will our model deploy to the end user, like by providing 3 environment: dev, test and prod. And the dev model should be in standard mode, and test and prod should be in production mode, like deployed mode. So we'll hand over model to end users, and again whenever they need any changes, they will approach us. We'll do the changes in dev model, and from dev to test we'll test it. Later what happened, we'll send dev to prod once again if everything is perfect. So this way project will complete. So this is the procedure. So what are the steps we have done here and we need to do? So these are the things we need to concentrate. Is it perfect? Is it clear for everyone? Yes. Yes, anyway, like tomorrow we have class like 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. So try to attend the class and complete all these activities and update me.